Now let us take very interesting rolling parabola's problem. Now the question is, the parabola x square equals 12y, which means this parabola, it rolls without slipping around the parabola x square equals minus 12y. So this parabola, it is fixed, and this parabola on the top, it is rolling without slipping around this second parabola. We need to find locus of focus of rolling parabola, and also we need to find locus of vertex of rolling parabola. Now these two parabolas, they are mirror image of each other about x-axis. So if we'll consider any point on this parabola, which is x square equals 12y, and say this point is A, and any parametric coordinate, it is 280 comma 80 square for this third form, and here in this case value of A is 3, so it will be 280, so it will be 6t comma 3t square. So if this parabola, it starts to roll along this fixed parabola, then it will cover the same distance because it rolls without slipping. So that means if it covers the same distance, then once this parabola, it rolls down, then in that case, this point A will come to this A dash, whose coordinate will be 6t comma minus 3 square. So basically now we can draw this parabola. In this way. Now we need to find locus of its vertex and focus. Now clearly we can say that this parabola, once it has rolled down along this fixed parabola, it is nothing but it is reflection of this fixed parabola about tangent at this point A. Now we'll start solving the question. Now the first question, find the locus of focus of rolling parabola. Now focus of rolling parabola will be mirror image of focus of this fixed parabola, and focus of this fixed parabola is 0 comma minus 3. Now in one of the previous videos, we have already established this property that image of focus about any tangent to parabola will lie on directrix. So image of focus about any general tangent will always lie on directrix of parabola. So for this rolling parabola, its focus will lie on directrix of this fixed parabola. So which is y equals 3. So answer to this first question is locus of focus of rolling parabola will be along this line, and that is y equals 3. So this first part, it is very simple. Now we'll come to the second part. Now second part says we need to find locus of vertex of rolling parabola. Now vertex of rolling parabola, it is mirror image of vertex of this parabola about this tangent. Now once we have this point and we have equation of this parabola, we can write equation of this tangent. So equation of this tangent is given by t equals 0. So in place of x square, we'll write x into x1. So it will be 6t into x and then minus 12, and in place of y, we'll write y plus y1 upon 2. So it will be y minus 3t square upon 2. So now here 6 and 6, it will cancel. We can write this equation as tx minus y plus 3t square. So equation of this tangent, which is t equals to 0, is given by tx plus y minus 3t square equals 0. Now we need to take reflection of vertex for this fixed parabola, and that is 0 comma 0 about this line, and it will give us the locus of vertex of rolling parabola. Now say this vertex is alpha comma beta. So now we'll use formula for reflection. So we'll reflect origin about this line, then we can write alpha minus 0 upon t equals beta minus 0 upon 1, and this is minus 2. If we'll put x and y as 0, so it will be 0 plus 0 minus 3t square upon 1 plus t square. So we can write alpha as 6t cube upon 1 plus t square, and we can write beta as 6t square upon 1 plus t square. Now we'll need to eliminate t from these two expressions. So what we'll do is we'll divide first by second. So then we can write alpha upon beta, and here 6 will cancel, 1 plus t square will cancel, and t square will also cancel. So we'll get alpha upon beta as t. Now we'll put the value of t in this second equation. Then we can write beta equals 6 alpha square upon beta square, and here it will be beta square plus alpha square upon beta square. So it'll cancel. So we can write this equation as beta into beta square plus alpha square minus 6 alpha square equals 0. Now in the end, we'll replace alpha with x and beta with y. So we'll get this locus as y into x square plus y square minus 6x square equals 0. And that is the locus of vertex of this rolling parabola.